y'all, what's good, what's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're gonna be like real up close and personal, okay? You know, we're gonna be like this. But yeah, so anyway, basically today I'm just gonna be shaving my face, my whole face. It's called dermaplaning or dermaplaning, I don't know, but yeah, this is gonna be the second time I've tried doing this in like years. The first time I completely messed my face up. Like, I think I used the old razor and I didn't properly cleanse my skin. So for the past 2 years, my skin suffered. Like, it was bad. But this is where we are now. Like, it's not perfect, it's not 100%, but compared to the way my skin was looking before, there's some progress. You feel me? But yeah, so first things first, I'm just gonna cleanse my face and then we're gonna hop right into the shaving process. So now that our face is cleaned, I'm just gonna go through and just put some oil on my face. I don't know if it really matters what type of oil, but I'm using this Better Skin oil. So yeah, there's a little bit left in here. And also, last time I did this, I used aloe vera. So I'm gonna see what difference using oil makes. Do a little bit more. So now we're lathered in oil. Next, we have our eyebrow razor. This is, I'm sorry, I'm looking at myself and not the camera, but this is a brand new, never used before razor. So, let's see how this does. So I'm gonna be shaving like in and down, and also I'm just gonna have some tissue just to like wipe off the excess hair and whatever else as I'm doing it, so like nothing gets too clogged or anything. And we're just gonna get started. Oh, also, if you have acne, this isn't recommended to do. I do have like some little spots, but I'm just gonna try to work around them. So yeah, I think I need more oil first. I'm not trying to. Got my tissue. I don't know if y'all can really see. I'm trying to do this like very, very lightly and gently. So now that we're at my eyebrows, I'm gonna try to brush them down. And then basically I'm doing my eyebrows too. But I'm just gonna do it very lightly. I'll do my upper lip a little bit, even though I already removed most of the hair. Pretty sure we did my whole face. So next I'm going to, hold on one second. So next what I'm going to do after we finish shaving our face is I'm going to take my cotton rounds and my toner and we're just going to clean up any of the leftover oil and stuff that's on my face. Just trying to take it out the thing. Okay. So that was basically the last step, and then like moisturize or whatever. But my skin feels really smooth and really soft. I'm just gonna see how this goes. I feel like you should probably do this like once a month and really like keep up with like your skincare routine to make sure that your face is always clean and that you're not damaging your skin. But yeah, also I feel like after this I should probably do like an updated skincare routine, because y'all, I switched up my face routine so many times trying to find the right thing for me. So it would probably be more like a story time, like a trial and error type of thing, what not to do, what to do. So yeah, but this is what my skin is looking like. It's still not perfect, and I do have a few like dark marks and like a little, you see right here on my head, those little things. I tried to avoid them a little bit. I don't know if I just made them worse, but you know, it was worth it for the video. No, it wasn't, just kidding. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to continue to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to continue to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll be back with more videos.